Here I have Cat S53, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application, which you have pre-installed on your device. So for example, you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and others, and also apps. So let's transfer, for example, some image. For example, this one. So what you have to do is to hold your finger on it, then tap on three dots and select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy it, then select SD card. Then select the folder to which you want to copy, for example pictures, and tap copy here. And now you have this picture, one on your device's memory and another one on SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.